Hello, Debbie guys, and hello, new subscribers. Old subscriber, how are you doing, guys? I know I'm late with this video. I was so tired, I went to sleep. I just woke up. I even supposed to went to the VFW to get my catfish, my fish. I don't know what kind of fish it was. I don't care. I love fish. And spaghetti night. That's what it was. I overslept, so I just cooked me some noodles. But guys, guess what? My surprise, my blessing. I want to say, Tristan, you the man, you the dude, you the boy. Tristan, much love to you. Blessing you, your father, and your uncles. Bless me, and your grandmother. I want to say thank you to all you guys for making one of my dreams come true. I love you guys. Much love. Send a virtual hugs. Guys, tell Tristan hello. I mean, he the sweetest 11-year-old boy I ever seen with a great heart, kind heart. He was so excited to meet me. So everyone, give a thumbs up for Tristan family for blessing me. And Tristan, say hello to Tristan. Let him see his name. Tristan. But guys, look, I'm here, home, close to the highway. I can walk. Everything is like reading a problem. I'm doing it at dark, so you guys know. Location. But well, I don't care. But the VFW is just right. I walk through to the VFW to get my breakfast and my food. But guys, guess what? Tristan and his family, his grandmom, his uncle, 2 uncles, blessed me with meeting his grandfather at the laundromat, just talking. My new tiny home. Yes, I'm so happy. Good grief, I can stand up, take a shower. This sucker is bad to the bone. It's big. I was like, wow, this thing is big. When I started driving it, good gracious. Hope you guys can see it. I'll do another video of it. Look at there. He hooked it up. Showed me how to use everything. Look at that. Let me step back and show you. I'm in a good spot too. Right by the tree. So I can get some shade. Look at that. It's nice, huh? My shade tree. My pretty scenery. I can look out the window where I just put up some things that I had in my car. We're using for my van for right now. They got a slide out up there, slide out here. Look at this. I love the tie around cover. I gotta put Lady Debbie. This thing is Sunnybrook. Even it, look at the name, Sunnybrook. Could be sunshine. Look at that. This thing is all the windows. I can just look. Okay, guys. Got some great ties on it. Nice ties. All right, Tristan, let's take him into my home. Tiny home. Come on, knock, knock, knock. Come on. Debbie. Look at here, guys. They even gave me the air conditioner. But I have one up here. It worked good. I had to turn it off. So I might just get that one back to them. I'm telling you, that thing was about to freeze me. I got a light here. And they were redoing it, so hey, I could put my own touch. I'm thinking about putting a sofa sleeper there. Or a futon bed. You guys will see it. Microwave, it works. Sink. Told you I had noodles. Running water. Double sink. Oops. You know, I'm putting my own little touch on it. I'm going to change out the wallpaper. I'm using my oven right now because I got to get propane tomorrow. Yes, he coming back to give me propane because the place was closed. And this is the fridge. The fridge will run by propane too. So I'm leaving it open so it won't get the smell. It's a nice fridge. Tristan, that's your Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Let me step back. Guys, isn't this this is a blessing. Oh, yes. Light work. Fan. I have my little toaster oven that I had got for Christmas. Before Christmas. Got a lot of storage cabinets. Woohoo! Even have a window by the sink. I just covered it up since it's night. I have a little food. I have to go grocery shopping. Dishes. Stove, oven. Burner. Yay! Look at all this. Sink. Whoa, look at here. Fantastic. Guys, don't forget to hit that like button, that share button, that top bell. Wait a minute. Hey. It's a woo-hoo. That top. Yeah, hey. So you won't miss none of my videos. I've been sitting here, just looking out the window. I put that here for now. I probably put like a fake fireplace. I'll probably build one and then put a TV there. Okay. This air conditioner here. I turned it off. I told you. You turn it on. It does work. I just got too cold. And when you come here, you come into, there it goes. You come here, you come into the sink. Medicine cabinet. Right here, closet. Mirror. To the left. Bathroom. Yes. Shower. And a tub. I had this shower curtain, so I put it up. This does work. Look at that. Good water. Good flow water. Look at that. Woo-hoo! Skylight. Woo-hoo! Another cabinet here. Toilet. You fill it up with the water. And then you say, there you go. I have a toilet. Woo-hoo-hoo. Right So you see it good. Only thing I'm gonna put in here is a fan, a battery, a fan. Yeah. Good. Okay, what else? Oops, sorry. It's got a step here. This must be Tristan decoration. Got a closet here. You can hang up something, hang up stuff. Closet there. In the bed. They have a twin mattress on right here. You could get a queen, but I'm not gonna get a queen. I would get a full size because I don't need all that. Just me. Look at that bookshelf. Got it already. Everything is already. Yeah. All this room. Got a fan here by the bed. I'm gonna move it for you so I can show you something. I have a window here. I got it blocked off. Got lights there. Got lights up under the bed. I'm gonna paint it white because I like this white they did the living room with. I have a fan over there. I got a skylight up there. It's open. Get air. Ooh. There you go. You get it better. Okay. This bed do lift up so easy. I already got some, it's not packed, but I already got stuff in there. And you just let it back down. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, got nightstand right here. I can stand up, but my head touching the wall, the ceiling. But right here, it got a deep where you can, I can stand up straight here. And you got storage here. Go down here. Yeah. Guys, this is just a blessing. Woo, I can stand up. I can take a shower, take a bath. I'm in the got air conditioning. Let me turn that off. That gets real cold. Guys, I just wanted to take you on a little tour because I said I was going to put out a video. Sorry it took so late. I was sleeping, I'm tired, I'm still tired, and I'm getting ready to go there. I'm getting ready to go to lay down. My back is kind of hurting. Having lights up under there. Well, guys, thank you for watching my videos, and guys, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the share button. I want to say, love you guys. Have a safe weekend. Until next time, bye, 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 bye. I'm sending out hugs to everyone. Good night, Tristan.